Hey guys, going to do a short little video on one of my favorite detailing products. This is a Jufinx Leaf Blower. Right, I got this on Amazon. It runs usually about 150 bucks. You'll find it on sale sometimes for around 100. This is one of my favorite car drying tools. So like I said, it's advertised as a leaf blower, but it's short and stubby and it's really easy to move around. My garage is really tight, and once a week there's like a landscaping crew that comes in and they blow leaves out in front of the house, but some always end up in my garage. And so I really wanted a way to easily blow leaves out of my garage without having to move two cars and without any risk of damaging, bumping into the cars and damaging them. And this does the trick. It is also a great car dryer, and I'm going to demonstrate that real quick. It's going to get pretty loud here. I'm gonna show you what this looks like on some windows and how I use it. So here we go. It's loud, like I said. So here, let's get a shot of the spoiler here. Don't want my drying towel landing on the ground. All right, so you can see, put this down for a second. So you can see just from that, the windows are already pretty much dry. This gloss black plastic here that we want to touch as minimal as possible, it's already pretty dry, right? So just a quick little soft swipe of that, right? We go around the windows. And look, super simple, right? We'll go back here to the back where I started. Nice and dry, effortless, no streaks of any kind, right? And I didn't saturate my drying towel just from doing that, right? So this little leaf blower here, I'm going to give you a couple more little demonstrations. So it's great for blowing out areas where water usually falls. Right, now I don't have to worry about water dripping out of the door handles, stuff like that. Gets all the water out of the mirrors, right? Mirrors, door handles. Quickly hit the wheels, right? Eliminate a lot of drips around there and everything. Love to use it in this area right in here. That area is always difficult to dry, right around your windshield wipers, right? You can see the water beaded up here on the hood. We're gonna blast it. Boom. Right? All this area right in here. So yeah, I love this little thing, right? It's not cheap. Like I said, 150 bucks normally. I think it goes on sale for around 100. You can find it on Amazon. USB-C powered. It lasts quite a while. I mean, you can dry a whole car easy with it, and still have plenty left. So yeah, anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Great little car detailing, car washing tool that I love.